Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have proved a problem and now we are going to solve another problems. See this one. The question is, this is find A and B, find A and B. The given condition is, this is 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota whole power 100 is equal to a plus iota b, right? So this one is given, this is equal to a plus iota b. Here we can write this is 4 into this is 25. It is not equal to 1 because it is not in the form of a plus iota b, right? So first such type of problems, first we have to convert it into a plus iota b or x plus iota y, right? This is the solution is this one part, that is the left hand side. This is 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota whole power 100 is equal to a plus iota b, right? This one has to be, this denominator, which is this is a complex number, has to be converted into real number. And such type of denominator has to multiply by the of its conjugate, right? Which we have earlier discussed this one. So this is what is the conjugate of a 1 minus iota? That is, conjugate of this 1 minus iota is 1 plus iota, right? The iota sign before the iota there is negative sign, has to be converted to positive sign. So see this one. This implies that. Never write this one. This one is equal to that. But write down if there is such type of condition is given. This implies that. That means that the whole thing, which is written above, is like that, which we are going to write. So see this one. This is 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota divided by 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota whole power 100 is equal to a plus iota b, right? This one has been multiplied by that means numerator and denominator both are multiplied by the conjugate of denominator. So now this is equal to, this implies that 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota, that means 1 plus iota whole square. This is 1 square plus iota square plus 2ab and 2 iota divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square is equal to whole power 100 is equal to a plus iota b. This is a plus iota b. Now check this is. This is 1 iota square is minus 1 plus 2 iota divided by 1 minus iota square is minus 1. This is whole power 100 is equal to a plus iota b. Now this implies that this one cancel out. So this is divided by 2i, 1 minus into minus plus, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Whole power 100 is equal to a plus iota b. Now 2 cancel out. This is iota power 100 is equal to a plus iota b. And iota power 100 means 4 into 25 is equal to a plus iota b. That means iota power 4 is 1, 1 power 25 is 1. So 1 is equal to a plus iota b. This implies that 1 plus 0 into iota, 0 into iota, this is equal to a plus iota b. Now the real part, and this comparison is, the real part is equal to real part, imaginary part is equal to imaginary part. So this is a is equal to 1, this is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. This is that is the solution of the equations, right? That is problem. See, which we are going to solve another problems. Here to find the question is, find the smallest integer. Find the smallest integer. Find the smallest integer n which satisfy the given conditions. which is satisfy the given conditions. The condition is 1 plus iota whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus iota whole power 2n. So that is the condition which is given, 1 plus iota whole power 2n and 1 minus iota whole power 2n, and we have to find out n, and n must be the smallest integers, right? Because there are the infinite number of n's which satisfy these conditions, and we need to find out only the smallest one. The solution is again the power 2n both are the same and the base must be equal to the same. But here if you we write this one, this base is same, then we can find out only iota, but we need to find out n. So this is 1 plus iota whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus iota whole power 2n. Now transfer this one on the left hand side, or transfer this one on the right hand side, right? So this one, we can write this modulus of this one, because we have not discussed modulus yet, so that's why we are writing this one. This is 1 plus iota whole power 2n divided by 1 minus iota whole power 2n is equal to 1. That means both sides is divided by 1 minus iota whole power 2n. Now check this one. This implies that this is 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota whole power 2n, and we have used this is exponent rule here. So this one again the same kind of this one, which we have discussed the first one, and the denominator has to be multiplied by its conjugate. This is 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota divided by 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota whole power 2n is equal to 1. This is 1 plus iota whole square, and this writing this is 1 square iota square plus 2 iota divided by 1 minus iota square is equal to 1. Again the same thing, this is cancel out, and this is 2 iota this is whole power 2n, and 2 iota upon 2 whole power 2n is equal to 1, right? Now this is 2 cancel out, so iota power 2n is equal to 1, right? Now 1, the left hand side this is iota power 2n and right hand side is 1. So what shall I write in and on the right hand side, the minimum what should I write here on the right hand side, so that it is equal to 1, and it must be in the power of iota. So now this implies that iota power 2n is equal to 1. 1 is equal to iota power 4. The first one is iota power 4 is 1, and iota power 3 is minus iota, iota square is minus 1, and iota is, this is iota, right? Now the base are the same, then exponent must be same. So this is 2n is equal to 4, then n is equal to 2. So n is the smallest integer, that means n is equal to 2. If I put n is equal to 2, then we will get the left hand side is equal to right hand side. If I write put n is equal to this is 8, then same. If I put this 12, this is 16, 20, 24, dot. So there are infinite number which satisfy this equations if I put n in terms of 4 or 4 multiple. But the smallest n is equal to 2. So right? So see this one. Here I can put iota power 8, I can put iota power 12, iota power 16, and then n will be changed. Okay, thank you students, thank you. And next sessions we will discuss some more problems.